Hello friends, welcome to Romcart. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix the Safetynet or playstore certification after installing a custom ROM, even if it's not working after installing the modules. So when I run the Safetynet, you can see the basic integrity is passed, but the CTS profile is failed. Although you can see there is no Magisk present in this ROM. So even after using the KernelSU, I am not getting the Safetynet. So how to fix this? It's just a matter of 2 modules. Keep watching the full video. It will be a very short video. So first of all, go to the KernelSU, go to modules and install this module called Zygisk next. So this module will install the Zygisk on your KernelSU, and if you are using Magisk, then you don't need to flash this module because in Magisk we already have the Zygisk. Now after installing the Zygisk, don't restart. Go to back and click on install again, then install the play integrity fix module. So currently the 15.9.4 is the latest, but I will provide you the GitHub link from where you will be able to download the latest module. So I will just click on it, and now I have to reboot. But before that, let me show you that I don't have the playstore certification. Here you can see the device is not certified. So let's reboot the phone. So the device is now restarted. Now if you open Play Store, it will still show the device not certified. So what you have to do is go to app info and just open this app info, then go to storage and clear storage. And if you have any different option like clear all data, clear storage, etc., then just click on whatever you see. You have to just clear the data. Now just close the app and open the Play Store. Now if you open the Play Store and go to settings, you will see the device is now certified. So this is how you can fix the Safetynet. And if I show you the Yasnak app, you can see both the basic integrity and CTS profile is passed. So this is how you can fix the Safetynet of your device after rooting. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.